So Shannon, talk about your value add opportunity.
Yeah, this looks like a great duplex,
Yeah.
but isn't there a third floor?
There's a third floor, so that can easily be converted into a third unit. There's actually already a shower pan laid down in there. So this property is about 75% finished.
Yeah, all the floors, luxury vinyl.
Yep.
Most of the systems are new, right?
Yep, some of the appliances are gonna come with this one as well, and we're way below market value.
Yeah.
So you can put some sweat equity into this house and really just start making some cash.
Yeah, make some cash flow real quick.
Absolutely, and if you're not very handy, we also have a way to renovate it and get it done.
Yeah, we know the right people.
Yeah.
So let's go check it out.
Let's do it. So we are here with our Easy Media team and we're about to do the Easy 3D for you guys. So if you're an investor and you're out of state, we can send this to you so you can do your own virtual walkthrough and you can check out what?
There's vinyl windows, vinyl siding, and there's materials here to finish it off. New porches front and back, also new lighting, everything stays that's here.
Yeah, which is great. So you just gotta finish the project and it's all yours.
Yeah, and you know I like old homes, but
yeah, you've got all of the updates like forced air. So you can definitely put in central air and you don't have to worry about ripping out all the ductwork, things like that.
Yeah, great location. It's close to highways, close to hospitals.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you can actually long-term or short-term rent it, right?
Yeah, this would be a great Airbnb property.
Yeah, or even like traveling nurses.
Yeah.
Definitely because you're close to all the hospitals.
Yeah, you're really close to UH Metro and the clinic.
Yeah, so if you have any questions about that as well, reach out to us because we can definitely give you some inside information on there where you can actually make more cash on cash for your investment.
Yeah, we can help with relocation as well.
So this is probably my favorite spot in the whole house because I'm always looking for that little extra.
Yeah, and this is extra.
Definitely. I know rentals around here for a 1-bedroom, and it really can be converted into a 1-bedroom because you've got the space for it. They can rent out anywhere on the real low end, 600, on the real high end, like 900. So that is a huge value add opportunity. So one thing too, Shannon, is, I don't know if you noticed, the plumbing's already been done here in the upper unit.
Yeah, and there's a new electrical panel in the basement, so come check it out. If you have any questions, please contact me or Kit, and we'll be happy to help you out.